Your diesel engine is stumbling, there is a weird smell of fuel in the air, and the power you usually rely on is just gone. If you have scanned your car and found the P021A code, you are dealing with a cylinder 7 injection timing issue. This is a generic powertrain code that shows up on almost everything from a VW to a Dodge, Ram, Kia, or even a Ford and Chevy. But do not let the generic label fool you, because this is serious business that needs your attention right now. This code usually pops up exclusively on diesel engines. Specifically, the modern direct injection types that operate under absolutely insane pressure levels to keep things burning clean. We are talking about fuel being pushed at up to 35,000 psi. At that pressure, diesel fuel can be dangerous. So if you are not experienced with high-pressure systems, please be careful or get a professional to look at it. The core of the problem is that your PCM or powertrain control module has noticed that the timing for the injector on cylinder 7 is not where it should be. In unit injector systems, the pump is timed with the engine timing chain based on the crankshaft and camshaft positions, while common rail systems use individual solenoids and a shared rail. My advice is to always start by looking for the obvious with a solid visual inspection. Check the wiring harness around cylinder 7 specifically. Diesel fuel is very aggressive, and if there is even a small leak, it can eat right through the wire insulation over time, causing a short or an open circuit that confuses the computer. Also, do not ignore your crankshaft or camshaft position sensors. If those sensors are lying to the computer, the timing will never be right, no matter what you do. Grab your DVOM and check the resistance on the injector solenoid. If it does not match the manufacturer specifications, you have found your culprit. Always check for any TSBs or technical service bulletins for your specific model before you start throwing expensive parts at it, because sometimes a simple software update is the answer. This code is severe because incorrect timing can lead to a misfire, reduced fuel efficiency, or even long-term engine damage. So handle it with urgency and make sure that cylinder 7 is getting exactly what it needs at the precise moment it needs it to keep your engine running smooth.